Umitri rangba kejela Conrad ke sangma hagasni palai ulabu jingkylli kylla yo President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H Pala. Halor ka synniang ba ula ai hakaban la weng ya jingeh jongka FCRA. Haba kerpat ya kinong yalam bakin pelet jingmut halor ki kam balale hakajaka banne politics. Haba jubab ya jingkno uba pala baka sarkar MDA kan kershan ya ka FCRA bill ha parliament u Conrad ulaong baka FCRA bill kaladon menta bat ka joint parliamentary committee bat ka jingkylli ban kershan ni persha kan sami hadin bala de Charlotte ya baro KAKA.
Basically, the question of supporting or not supporting uh, arises only after we see the details of any particular bill or act. Now the FCRA has been sent to the JPC. Details will be seen and discussed in that. So therefore, the question of supporting, not supporting doesn't arise right now. I think what is important is, the intent of individuals and leaders and political parties, because it's not about politics or taking credit or putting down a particular political party. I think what's important is the issue in front of us. So to be very frank, it sometimes I wonder why the politics takes over so much more than the issue itself. I don't know how many times Mapala has met, Home Minister, or even, asked his leaders to meet and discuss and take up this issue at the Home Secretary level. So I think actions are important. One can always criticize and condemn anybody else. The question is, what have you done? What is your role? What is your contribution? And how are you contributing? I'm very happy the other day, the UDP MLAs had gone to meet Home Minister and discussed about FCRA. I saw other leaders from other political parties going and meeting. That's really what matters, you see. And again, yesterday also I was asked a question about the fact that some people are saying that, we didn't do enough for the FCRA. I was asked a question yesterday. And I think that's just not the point again, For us, what is important is the issue should be resolved. This is a matter that concerns our people. And we should ensure that we can do whatever we can to make sure that our people are protected. And I think that is what is important.